Guys, today we'll be working on introduction to Pixellab. Um, so let's open our design. So firstly, let me I will say this is my first time uploading YouTube tutorial, but I'm promising you there are videos. This project I've worked on, there are videos of them I've done down. Let me show you the videos of this. I have them. This video, I have them how to work on it. Likewise, this video as well, wedding flyer, I have it. Football flyer, you can see the wedding flyer is of two types. Football flyer, this one as well, sorry, this one as well, I have it. So I'm indulging you. I have this one as well. Likewise, this one as well, I have it. Let's wait patiently for it to load. I don't know why it's taking time. Yeah, I have the complete video of how I design it. So each other one again that have I designed for you. Okay, I have this one too. I have this one as well. Party flyers. Which other one? I have this wedding flyer as well. How I design it. The main design I've worked on, which I used with my video, with my Pixellab. Mind you, most of my designs are designed. I use Pixellab for all my designs. So, beloved, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've instructed YouTube on the day each video that I've uploaded should be released. So, firstly, this is the surface. These are the surfaces for those using Yellow Pixellab. Join my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel to get the resources I used. So I'll buttress on it. YouTube design. So let's start new. So these in natural faces, but if you have a phone design you want to design for, these the sizes. This you have to buy two sizes, which is for invitation cards, YouTube channel, tumblings, and this one we have this for flyers as well. We have this one too. We have it for sizes. We have the Google. We have the what's it called? Pinterest profile, Facebook profile, Facebook wall, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. So I have many of them. So let's dive into the design proper. So we have the okay, let me go back to this natural. We are working on introduction to Pixellab. So this is the text. Now what text is for? So we'll be taking it one after the other. Text. So let's say introduction to Pixellab proper. So this is it. So before that, let me edit this. The icon here is to change it either capital or small letter instead of using the manual. So this is it. You click on OK. This is edit, this delete. You see this delete. So return, this copy, duplicate. I believe everyone knows this. So this are you taking to the front? So now this one was at the front before. So now we are taking it to the front. I mean, this is still at the front. So let's take it back. So you see it appears here. This one will come to the front. You can see it's at the front already, and this one goes back. So you have the positioning. You want to move it this angle. So this move by 6 pixels. So it's by your movement. So take it up, take it down. So that's that and that. Relative position, you centralize the back angle. So these are the things we use together. These are the tools we put together to bring those the what's it called you are seeing, the designs you are seeing, sizes you can see. So these sizes, so this texture. So I want to add text to it. I want to add text to my image. Let me see these ones so you can see. I want to add text to my image, but we are not doing that today. It looks good though, but that's not what I'm doing, so I can delete it as well because that's not what I'm working on today. So opacity, maybe we've given it a color. Let's first of all give it a color. Let's give it a gradient color which is blue, or this. So once we reduce the opacity, you can see to fade it and to make it bold, enabling, you can see that. So, and this one is rotate the size where you want to see it, you can see. So that's that. So marking, you can see if you want to add to image now, you want to add two color, you want your colors to have two different color, or you want it to be out and in. Let's take it out first. So this is it. Let's rotate it to the normal way it should be now. Okay, so let's come here. I want to make it bold. I want you to see it clearly. I want you to see the designs I'm working on clearly. So marking, so I want to mark it here. The Pixellab will have about two colors. I don't know why these things are moving. Okay, let's cancel it first. Okay, so I want to reduce the size. Let's go to sizes and reduce the size so I can get what I'm trying to work on. So let's Pixellab proper. So let's come to marks. These marks here. So I want to give it about two color. You can see I want to, so this out, so to mean this. So I come down here to color, and before that, cancel. So I duplicate it again, copied it, which is duplicate. So I come back to marks and in. So you can see I give it here like this. So you can see now. So I fixed I want to fix it. I want it to look good, as if nothing has been moved out. You can see now. So now I'll come there. It is of two type now. So the one I'm working on. So let's work on this. Let's pick this now, which is this one. We give it a color. Let's give it white, blue. No, it's still the same design. So let's hide this one for now. So let's give it blue, color blue, color blue. So and bring this the other part. We come to the other part. We give it. Let's give down white. Can you see that you are giving it color? So you are not done yet with it. So you merge it together. So I've merged it together, so I can increase it the way I want. So that's that on that. So we are still working on text. So okay, now we imagine together it has become an image, an object. So but let's take it back to text. So for us to continue, you have to image now. So you are taking it back to the way it is before. I'm just showing you that. So I guess it's now okay. It's now it back. So I guess it should be okay. It's now it back now. Okay, it's back. It's back now. So which other one? We work on marks with these fonts, the font you wish to use. If you are using Pixellab, what's it called? Pixellab yellow. You have many default fonts you can use, and I have my personal font I'm also using. This one I have to download it and install it. So regular. So we have Adobe. We have series of you have this. So that's that on fonts. So we have style. So if you want it to be bold, if you want it to be italics, underlined, you don't want anyone. So that's that on that. So you want to curve it, maybe you want it to be in a circular way, you can see. So it depends on how you want it. Now that's that. So alignment. Now let's talk about alignment. It is like this. So alignment help you to put it. So, okay, let me take another one. Maybe I'm working on another design. Okay, let's say YouTubers, YouTubers, designers, design club. So I want to align it. So I'll just do it this way, to be very fast and to be sure that I align it very well. So I just take it to the middle. Can you see that? Can you see? So that's that on that. So let's continue. So spacing, this spacing, you want the letter spacing, you want the word to be spaced. So it depends. So that's why I said you guys should do well. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel to see my work that I've worked on. So this stroke, these are what makes design look beautiful. So this is it. So just do well. So we have 3D text as well. 3D text, those images you are seeing in some shop, they are 3D. So you can also achieve them with, you have shadow. So this one is also this shadow. So we are not using them now. So we have reflection. So you can enable it, vertical, horizontal. So it depends on what you wish. So that's that on that. So now let's go. This one. Now let's go to image. We are done with introduction to text. So let's work on image. This shape. You can do many things with the shape. Now let's work on the shape. Same thing what you did to the what's it called, to text, you can also achieve it with image. Copy it, take it to the front, position, relative size, color, give it a color. So opacity, you can also add text to the image. There are many tricks you can use. You can add text to your image. Let's see. I guess, how is it not showing? Okay, I mean there's something wrong again. So I will have to sort it to opacity. You can give it a stroke. Likewise, you can erase the object you don't like. So you can see that you have all reasons to subscribe, and so you can get you can know when my videos are uploaded, the videos I've worked on, you can see them. So that's that. So erase color tolerance. Okay, I guess the image I can you see. So we have the rotate, perspective, and emboss. So we have this one as well. Color, sizes, transparent. Maybe I'm working on a logo or a logo. So crops. So beloved, do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get the tutorial of all these videos I've worked on. Thank you.